All right, what's going on, team? Welcome. It's Monday. We have no news. There's some interesting stuff happening in the market, so let's jump in. Before you do, just check in the description below. We've got links to the Discord. I am trading on Top One Futures. That is an affiliate link, so if you want to check them out, use the link in the description below, and let's dive into it. Man, um, can you guys hear me? Yeah, you can hear me all right. So we've had I mean, I don't think I have to say much about it, right? We've had this whole move to the downside. All of this from Trump speaking, right? If we measure that, boom, and we're in it. We're in our -2 standard deviations, right? Two and a half, sort of accumulating, right? Maybe first stage of accumulation or last stage of accumulation. Who knows? We'll see. But I have some ideas. I have some theories I want to share with you. Before we do, before we do, uh I do want to share. I do want to share with you guys what we share all the time. Verse of the day. Comes from Acts 4:12. Salvation is found in no one else, for there is no other name under heaven given to mankind by which we must be saved. And that name is Jesus. So there it is. Verse of the day comes from Acts 4:12. And then we're gonna go to Forex Factory. We're gonna check what we got today. We got no news. You can see that Monday, nothing. If so, I do have it filtered. We might have some. Yeah, I mean nothing crazy, right? So I wouldn't worry about it. We're gonna say no news Monday today, and that's gonna be interesting, right? Because we don't have a news catalyst for us to push into. We're also in a accumulation quarter, right? And this is a weekly quarter, right? We've got all of this month is going to be accumulation. All of this month, right? All of this week. We just finished accumulation session, or this would be Monday accumulation, right? Tomorrow is going to be our manipulation leg. But expect just sort of a weird, odd, maybe like unusual kind of movements and price action, right? Nothing that I would be uh really committed to, if you will. So I am gonna be careful in the markets today and just watching that, right? Like I'm not looking for I don't think I'm gonna be looking for anything I mean, anything can happen. We've seen that so many times. We've seen that so many times where the market just does whatever it wants and there's no stopping it. So it could happen today. The market could just do whatever it wants, right? We've had this if we look at it on the weekly, we had this huge push to the downside. Like one up close candle on the weekly, every other candle has just been a down close. So that just tells you how far we've ranged on this, right? Like this is 50% of the year and previous month right here. Yeah, this is, I mean, what else is there to say about this? All right, 50% lands right here, right at the 19500s. 19500s is going to be our 50% of that range. I'm super curious to see what happens at open. I am. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what to expect. But at open we can have something very, very interesting, right? We know, okay, let me show you guys something real quick, right? And this is sort of a very high time frame, but we do have an SMT created here. And if we look at it as sequential, it's right there. So again, and this falls inside of a 6-month gap. And that is, to me, I don't know, I don't know that I'd be trying to short anything right now. I mean, you could, right? And I think things are still wanting to fall, but just be careful, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. You know, just careful shorting this market. especially where we're at. I want to see us either continue to reject. Really, I want to see us reject up here somewhere. I want to see us reject somewhere up here. We are inside the gap. We're trading inside of it, and I mean, oh, this is a nice rejection happening right now. But we are trading inside the gap, right? We're here, but you can see price is almost wanting to just continue this sort of push, right? So I'm expecting once we get a push here into here, then maybe I want to see a rejection, right? Then I would be a little bit better. I would feel better positioned for shorts, right? Because you can see we're just keep pushing into it, not really falling hard. Then that's the one thing, right? Like we've usually seen this and like large falls to the downside, like hard falls, right? You see push, 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 and immediately just boom. But right here we're sort of holding all of this, right? So I don't know what we want to do today. I don't know how price wants to react today, right? So just something to keep in mind, right? Something to keep in mind. I guess you can see it as, yeah, we have a, would we say that this right here, that high, is holding, yeah, that high is holding price, huh? I guess that's an important high right there. One can see how the opens, yeah, look, boom, close. Yeah, this is, I like this high right there. We'll see what we get. We've got about 21 minutes till market open, or equities open. I am honestly, I'm not looking to do too much, right? I'm really not looking to do a whole lot today. Except, yeah, no, I'm not looking to do too much. I am long. I took a long earlier or overnight, right? Got super close. I actually decided to just, you know what, whatever. If I get stopped out, stopped out. So got super close to him, but still trusting this and targets up here, right? So we'll see. We shall see. Open will be very interesting, for sure. Market open is going to be very, very interesting. Yeah, my goal is probably to be just out of the charts by 9:40, 9:45, just because I don't see too much. I don't know that I want to short a lot much here, right? I don't know that I want to do that. Like to where? I guess that's the problem. Like where do we want to short to? Right? That's to me that's the biggest one. It's like where to, right? Like you can see inversion, right? Right here. Monthly inversion. We could trade into that. We have that. We could trade into that. Right? We have what else? Um we have this. You can see you can see where sort of this becomes sort of a heat map of what's holding price here, right? So I don't know where else we could trade into. Do we want to trade into these lows? Well, if we look at this low, it's already taken by RTY, so that gives us an SMT. Do we want to trade into these all-time, like basically what is this? Not all-time, but 2022 lows? Well, RTY, we're below that. So, do you see where I'm getting sort of like, I don't know what we want to do. I don't know if we want to continue. We could continue lower. For like we could continue lower, right? We got a 3 month here, whereas there's nothing on the 3 month. There is something on the 6 month, I believe. Yeah, 6 month fair value gap. Boom, right there. And then yeah, our 3 month right there. Yeah, this looks good. So, yeah, honestly, to me, this looks more like a, hey, let's just rebalance price for a second, even if it's, I don't know, even yeah, I mean, just the top of that gap, right? Where's the top of that gap? And I'm looking at this is ES, but it's the same thing. Ugh. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, guys. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, honestly, today just does not feel exciting. Today does not feel exciting at all. And I don't think I want to see a lot. Um, I mean, we've hit our target. We opened at our target. That's insane. Yeah, we opened here at -2 standard deviations, basically. Traded down. Yeah, I don't know. This is, I mean, it's kind of hard to just be like, oh yeah, this sucks. Like this, whatever. But we had this, you can see this gap right there. And that's just the volume imbalance, right? Yeah, this, I don't know. I don't know what to think here. I mean, this is the clear manipulation move. Could we measure like this? Sure. But I think for me, this move right here is the more precise manipulation move, just because of how price delivered, right? Boom, gapped. Or sorry, no, that is the move because this is a, yeah, this is next day open basically. So then we have a new day opening gap here. Move, new day opening gap, trades lower. So this would be the manipulation move there. Yeah, I don't know today. Yeah, I don't like today. I might even cut the stream pretty quick actually. I don't, today just doesn't feel like I should be trading. So I'm gonna follow that. Yeah, today just doesn't feel right. So I'll probably follow that and just not trade today. Um, and go do something else. Cause why not, right? So, cause this looks ugly as butt. Yeah. And no news. That's always like, ugh. Yeah. Right? No news Monday. We're just gonna, it's literally just giving us the range of the week. So if we get a nice push up, right, maybe, or pull back down here into um the middle of this gap, that'll give us basically our range, right? From, yeah, this is basic, this could be our range here. What's up, babe? Her appointment's at 10, so I'm leaving pretty soon. Who? Ellie. Oh, okay. Could I leave everybody else here, or sure. Sure. All right, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for